Okay guys, I didn't want to have to make this video to defend myself or anything on my channel, but I've got this one individual who wants to argue until he's blue in the face that I'm wrong and he's right. That these fuel solenoids have everything in the world to do with engine flooding. He states that with a leaky needle and seat and a fuel solenoid installed, that's going to stop this carburetor from flooding. You may have remembered my video I did a couple of weeks ago explaining what a fuel solenoid does. Go over it real quick. 12 volts here. It pushes this, or sucks this pintle down away from the main jet inside the carburetor, allowing the fuel to enter the main jet in an emulsion tube. When you turn the key off, this pintle shoots out and blocks the main jet. So let's just install this fuel solenoid, and we're not going to put the bowl on, and we're going to pretend that we have a needle and seat failure and your carburetor is filling up. Okay, so your carburetor is filling up with gas. The gas can go in here, and as you can tell, that needle is pushed up against the main jet. However, the fuel is going to continue to rise up, and it's going to overflow right here into the atmospheric pressure vent hole. It's going to travel through and come out here. The gasoline is going to come right up here. It's going to travel right down this vent and right out the carburetor here. So your fuel is just going to be pouring out of this vent right here, and it's going to fill up the air filter, the intake, and everything. So I mean, this fuel solenoid is not a fuel cutoff solenoid. It is an anti-afterfire solenoid. This has nothing to do with flooding. If your engine is flooding, you have a needle and seat failure. I hope this sheds some light on this subject. And the misinformation out there about these is just rampant. But I bought a new one and it didn't fix my problem. But anyway, guys, yeah, rant done. Y'all have a good day. More Medic 1.